Opt out, and I was like, oh shit.
One vehicle is going to be vehicle versus pedestrian.
I didn't even know she was in the car though. I'm sorry. No, actually, no. I ran into a gate earlier. I'm sorry. I ran into a gate.
Today?
Yeah.
On the night of August 18th, 2021, officers responded to a subway parking lot in West Palm Beach, Florida. A woman was arrested on a second-degree felony that carried a maximum penalty of 15 years in state prison. And yet, despite a spontaneous confession and preserved physical evidence, the case never reached a courtroom. The reason has less to do with the officers on scene than with what the suspect said out loud. And when she said it,
what happened? What happened?
No, I got hit by a car.
Did she hit you? Who hit her? Did you hit her or?
Yeah, that's why I'm still here.
Okay. All right. What hurts?
This whole leg, I cannot move.
All right, no problem. The medics are coming for you. Okay. You have your ID on you? What happened? How'd you hit her?
I was following my friend. She sort of opt out, and I was like, oh shit.
One vehicle is going to be vehicle versus pedestrian.
I didn't even know she was in the car though. I'm sorry.
Kroll, can you get her 14? Hey.
The cops and everything are here. I'm gonna get picked up by the
Kayla.
ambulance.
Did she hit you on accident?
Can my mom come right now?
Yeah.
Where are we?
We're at Parker and Southern.
We're on Parker and Southern at a subway. Parker and Southern.
Come back to Stadium.
Oh my god.
What happened? You were walking.
You need to talk to them and tell them what's going on.
I jumped out of a car and she hit me.
She hit you?
Yes. Yes. Oh my god.
So she jumped out of the car? She jumped out of the car.
Yeah. And then she got hit by the car. That's what she's saying.
Oh my god, Mom, I'm so sorry. Mom. Oh my god.
Talk to me.
This all right here hurts so bad. I tried to move some, but it hurts. Oh my god, why me?
Delta 2, Delta 6, popular music.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
You have an ID?
I got it for you.
It's on my phone.
You jumped out of another car,
I got your phone.
and this car hit you? Is that what
Hey, we're
happened?
gonna take her to St. Mary. I'm gonna hang up now, okay?
Delta 2, loud music.
Okay, bye.
1651 Rhode Wines of
Did you jump out of another
Love
vehicle?
party.
Yes,
You did? What?
because he told me to.
Okay.
And I didn't know what to do. I didn't want to get in the car.
Delta, I got it.
Whose car were you in?
Another car that's took off.
Can I please have my phone? I just feel weird not having it.
Your phone's in your purse.
Which car were you in? This one over here?
Listen, we're gonna pick you up.
Okay.
It's gonna hurt.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh my god.
Okay?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah. Oh. Oh my god. Ah. Ah. I can't.
Okay.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so scared.
It's only one, right?
Oh my god.
Yeah, St. Mary's.
No trauma, right? No. Okay.
Trauma, but not trauma alert.
All right.
Can I grab your ID and all that?
Is my license gonna be revoked for this?
What's that?
Is my license gonna be revoked?
For what?
An accidental use?
No. You need your license, your insurance. Can you run the tag?
Sorry?
What happened?
I was following my friend and she got out the car and like I kept driving and I guess it's sort of like, and then like I felt like
Where were you?
No, like I was like I kept driving.
Where
and
were
then I heard it.
Where
Here,
were
this
you?
area.
Okay. So you pulled.
So
you
then, like,
pulled in here.
Yeah, from this way. Out
Okay.
that way. But then like I turned around.
You pulled in,
Yeah.
dropped off.
No, I was
Somebody.
driving behind my friend. And
Okay.
then she came out his car. But I just kept driving to follow him. And like
Where did she come from?
the car.
Okay. You're gonna have to explain this a little better.
So you was coming in this parking lot right here, right, Colette?
I'm so sorry.
Colette, it's fine. Okay. Do you need medics to check you out?
No, I didn't get hurt.
Okay.
I did not get hurt.
Okay.
your ID?
Yes.
He has it. So you was off of Belvedere. You was cutting this way, right?
Following a friend, yeah.
Okay. And then what happened?
And she hopped out the car.
Like near the dumpster?
Right here. And I just kept driving when she hopped out.
So she hopped out the car that was going into traffic or was already
Going into
traveling?
traffic. So I was following the car still.
Okay. She hopped out with the back seat or the passenger side?
The back seat.
The back seat passenger side or
Yeah.
back seat driver side?
Passenger.
So she jumped out the car.
And I kept driving.
You hustle?
And
Oh,
then
yeah.
I felt like I hit her and I backed up. I was like, oh shit. So I went to turn around. Cause like,
You
I'm
felt
gonna like leave her there.
right. Do you know like what part of your car you felt that hit her?
The front.
And you didn't hit another car. You just hit her.
There was no traffic.
That
This might be from it. I don't know. No, actually, no. I ran into a gate earlier. I'm sorry. I ran into a gate.
today?
Not for sure. Yeah. Yeah. Following my friend.
So following your friend, you ran into a gate. Following your friend, you hit this pedestrian.
Not into a gate, like ran into it, but you know, like the curbs. There's like a gate and then there's a curb. I was on like, I hit where the like.
Okay. So what part of your car hit her? Do you think?
I know this side.
How fast were you going, you think, when you hit her?
Not too fast, but I mean, it's a heavy car.
Yeah, it's a heavy car. Probably has a broken leg.
From jumping out the car, or
What's that?
from jumping out the car,
I don't
or
know. Yeah, I can't figure that part
because
out.
I can't see any
Yeah, no damage.
nothing indicating.
It's, from another vehicle or...
Yeah, she said she ends up hitting a gate earlier, following a friend.
Yeah, it seemed like she had a left femur possible fracture. Left thigh.
Left eye, so that would have been like from the back, bam.
Maybe.
But then she would have sat. She would have sat on here.
See something, but...
How fast do you think you were traveling?
Not fast. It was like in here, so it was pretty slow. Like, and there was a car, my friend's car in front of me, so not really fast.
Where'd your friend go to?
He kept driving.
He left you?
He left, like, yeah, he left her. Like, I guess he's dropping her off. I don't know.
So she was traveling in the car with your friend?
Yeah. I don't know.
So you know her then?
No, I don't know her. Personally, I don't know. Hello?
Is this your friend right here? So she jumped out the car.
I have no idea, bro.
That's what I'm saying. She jumped out the car with her friend. The friend that she was
Where?
the friend that she was following. She claims right here, and that's probably right there, because she says that she was following her friend. She jumped out. That person jumped out that friend's car,
Coming this way.
coming this way. So and she hit him. The friend who she's talking about took off, and so she says she doesn't know her, but you're following a friend. She was in your friend's car. You know, that's like. So there's some like gravel underneath this one, which probably there's gravel and dirt underneath this one.
Yeah,
Probably to go with that fence, but
he said this side, but you know, see damage. There's underneath there.
there's some damage underneath here, and there's there's a little piece in the road that might be. Hey, what's up, man? So she said that she was following her friend. The pedestrian jumped out the friend's car. She hit her. Didn't know she hit her, so she backed up. Friend took off. So do you know her? No. But the friend who you was following, he was in the car. Sarge. You see those tire tracks?
What's that?
See those tire tracks? And this gravel right here? So
That's a taser, isn't it?
she claims that she hit a gate earlier, that on that left side. That's what caused that, following that same friend. But now I'm seeing this track right here, this marks right here.
That could you probably have a taser in hand.
Yeah.
Gloves?
Oh, that's just a flashlight, or is that actually? I think it's a flashlight, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks like a flashlight, but also has the prongs in the front.
Okay. Colette, do you know what this is? Is it Colette? You don't have to touch it. Do you know what this is?
Might be a taser.
And you didn't hit this bush, did you?
You got cameras here. Some over there, there's nothing over there too. There's cameras all over.
Yeah, with the 4.
It looks like prongs.
It's a taser, right?
I don't know.
Take pictures of it and hold on to it. Find out what the story is. Nobody else in this car, right?
No. Colette, you gotta hang out over here, okay? I don't want anybody else running into you. Who was your friend that you was following? It was a guy or a girl?
It was a guy.
He's not gonna come back for you?
No. He's gonna,
Why wouldn't he come back for you?
he's gonna, like, he's a little upset, like, cause, like, I don't know why, how to do that, and I understand, like,
I mean, that was his friend though, right? He knew the girl.
yeah.
Is that like a boyfriend of yours? The guy you was following, that was a boyfriend? Yeah, okay.
But I don't know, like, I didn't know she was in the car. He was just like, oh, like, follow me, da-da-da, like,
Yeah.
when she jumps out.
Is that who's the girl that he was with? Somebody
I guess-
somebody who he's dating now, or
No, because we were just hanging out today. So,
you guys were hanging out earlier today?
I don't think he was there.
Did you see her in the car with her?
Nah, that's the thing. I didn't see her at all.
Did he is that him on the phone? Can you call him? Because I mean, if she jumped out his car, he could probably witness that. Can you call him and ask him to come back? Because she's saying that was a boyfriend
He was driving the other
who
car?
was driving the other car.
Her boyfriend?
Yep. And this is her other boyfriend's car. So she jumped out the boyfriend's car. It claims that she didn't know that she was in the car.
So the other car involved her
She said her boyfriend.
and
She keeps
another girl.
another girl, so the girl jumps out the back. So it almost seemed like she was like a
That makes it sound more like an egg
like more of a frustration.
Whose
Like
car is this?
this is
This
another
comes to
boy.
some
It's another boyfriend that she.
old boy guy up in Riviera.
Who owns this car?
What's his name? Dean.
Where does he live? Where does he live?
How old is Dean? 50.
Are they gonna check my car for something?
What do you mean?
So how long do you think I'll be detained for?
I don't know. I think he's just trying to figure out what's going on, make sure the young lady's okay and all that. Obviously, you might have to call for a ride or something. Somebody come get the car. We're trying to give Dean an opportunity to come get his car, right?
I'm have to call for a ride when I get out, you mean?
When you get what?
When I get out?
I mean, when you leave right from right here.
Yeah. From here?
I mean, if you leave from here, you need a ride home, right?
Oh, I can't take my car?
I don't know. That's why we're trying to get in contact with Dean now. He might have to come get He might have to come get the car.
Hello? I don't know. So the other officer said that I'm being detained?
Detained just means you can't go anywhere because we're talking to you.
Oh,
You're not under arrest. You're just being detained right now.
just standing here.
They're standing here, so that means you can't go
can't
anywhere.
go.
You're being detained.
But I'm not being arrested.
You don't have any cuffs on you. You're not arrested right now.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I mean,
Who is this, Dean?
Under Florida Statute 784.045, aggravated battery is a battery committed with a deadly weapon. The offense is a second-degree felony punishable by up to 15 years in state prison and a $10,000 fine. The threshold question in every vehicle case is whether the automobile qualifies as a deadly weapon under the statute. Florida's 4th District Court of Appeal answered that question in J.R. v. State, decided in 2006. A motor vehicle becomes a deadly weapon when it is used in a manner likely to cause death or great bodily harm. The standard turns not on the vehicle itself, but on the manner of its operation against a person. This is what separates aggravated battery from an ordinary traffic collision, which is a civil or negligence matter. An accidental collision, even one causing serious injury, is not a battery under the criminal code. Battery, by definition, requires an intentional touching against the victim's will, and intent is the entire ballgame. The impact, the injury, the vehicle damage, the location, none of these are legally contested in this case. The state's burden rests on one element, and one element only: proof of intent beyond a reasonable doubt. Now shift to the constitutional side, because this footage sits directly on the line between detention and arrest. Under Terry v. Ohio, decided in 1968, an officer may detain a person on reasonable suspicion. Detention is not arrest, and a detained person is not entitled to Miranda warnings before questioning. Miranda v. Arizona, decided in 1966, requires warnings only for custodial interrogation. The line between the two was clarified in Berkemer v. McCarty, decided in 1984. Berkemer held that ordinary roadside questioning does not automatically constitute Miranda custody. The test is whether a reasonable person would believe the detention has become the functional equivalent of arrest. On the footage, the sergeant explains this in plain English. Detained means you cannot leave, but you are not arrested. That explanation is not a courtesy, it is a constitutional prerequisite for every statement she makes during detention. The moment handcuffs are applied, the analysis flips entirely, and Miranda protections attach immediately. Anything an officer asks after that moment requires a valid waiver, or the statement is inadmissible at trial.
no. Should I call Dean?
Yeah, let's get him
But
on the phone.
I leave, like I can't take my car?
Let's get Dean on the phone. So then that way you let him know that you're involved in an accident, and if he could respond out here to this here area.
Alright, I'm gonna text Dean really fast. Or call Dean really fast. Dean's gonna, I just send in the location. Let me text him.
I think she made contact with him. He just needs to come get the car.
Yeah, he just needs to come get the car.
Okay.
Sorry?
He needs to talk to us, we'll just wait. We're not gonna wait forever. We'll tell it in a reasonable amount of time.
Do you want to talk to him?
It's in good shape. Nothing happened in the car.
Can you put him on speakerphone, or do you mind talking? We just don't.
Hello, Dean. Hello, this is Sergeant Cole in the city of West Palm Beach.
You put that in here?
The car is fine. It's all in drivable condition. Has some minor damage on the front end, but it was involved in an incident tonight. So we can't leave with her. But if you come, you can come pick it up. Without
Go ahead and put your hands
You're
together.
arrested for aggravated battery, okay?
Can I go in the front instead of the back?
No.
Because it could have hurt like that.
If you keep your hands together, like this.
Aggravated battery?
Yes.
Yeah, and the address.
Do you know how long I'll be arrested for?
That's up to, you'll see the judge first thing in the morning, okay?
Will I be able to take a shower?
That's that's all the questions you're gonna have to ask at the jail, okay?
Okay.
Do you have anything in your pockets?
I think so. I have my house key in there.
She's
right here.
But she's about to be detained and taken with us.
Okay, now, can I answer this question? It's not a DUI?
No, not a DUI.
Oh, okay. Is she going to be arrested?
Yes.
Okay, can I ask why?
Battery.
31.
But that's your guys' place to talk about that stuff. So I'll let her.
No, what I'm saying is this. And I know you can only tell me so much. Should I be in a position to attempt to bail her out?
Yes.
Okay. Is there any information you can tell me as to what I
She'll be able to call you from inside. You know his number off the top of your head, right? She'll be able to call you from inside and give you the bail amount. She'll have to see a judge, so it may not be until tomorrow. Do you have arrest history? What?
I don't know.
Have you been arrested before?
Yeah.
For what?
Yeah, so sometimes they set the bond based on past history, but if it's not a whole bunch of stuff, then it'll probably be a very low amount.
Okay, and I apologize for asking this question.
Oh, I can't. Oh, okay.
Okay. If I'm going to take an Uber to pick up her car, okay? And then let's just
Do I take these other bracelets off too?
Yeah.
time frame that she could call me in order for me to help her.
It's probably going to be like 3 a.m., 3 or 4 a.m.,
What time is it now?
12:30.
So I won't be able to call anybody till 3?
Probably whenever they get you booked in.
She can hear you.
Okay, call that. I'm going to pick up the car, bring it here. Okay, so it's nice and safe. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is you just call me,
This
collect.
one you have to do like hold this and then sort of like...
Yeah, she hears you. She's just also dealing with the other officers as well. But she'll call you from inside, and then you guys can work on bail then.
You know how long you're going to be to come over here?
How many minutes? How much drive?
He says he got whatever how long it takes the Uber to get here. All right, she hears you, and she's stepping away now though.
Ask him if he wants her stuff.
Oh, we have to set her other stuff that's already in there. Yeah, it's he says.
And the other thing too, should I use my key?
Do you want him to have his stuff?
We have the key here. Her stuff is her stuff fine in the car?
How many phone calls can I make?
Well, you're not going to be able to make another phone call until you get to county jail.
How many can I make?
I don't know. They'll let
There
you know.
you can make as many as you want. All of her stuff, all of her properties in the car, that's all fine to stay in there, correct?
As far as I know, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking you. Is the deal comes back to you. That's why we're contacting you.
I have a copy of the key, Sergeant, so I should bring that back.
No. Her key is going to stay with
But
the
I
car
didn't
right
even
now.
know,
But I
like,
understand
I
all
ran
her other
over
properties
her.
in the car.
Why is
It's
it
fine to stay in there,
aggravated?
correct?
I don't know.
All right, we'll see you when you get here then.
Okay, I'm going to call Uber right now, Sergeant. I'll be there just in case. Thanks, buddy. Okay, bye-bye.
I don't know. If it was aggravated, would I have turned around to like help her? That's not what I'm understanding. Like, I didn't even know she was cheating, dog. Why do I care about her?
But there is one important exception, and it appears in this case in a form that would have been devastating. Under Rhode Island versus Innis, decided in 1980, statements not prompted by interrogation remain admissible. This is the spontaneous utterance doctrine, and it applies whenever a suspect volunteers a statement on her own. After being handcuffed, the suspect volunteered a statement about the victim being a cheating dog. No officer asked a question. No officer prompted her. She spoke, in custody, entirely on her own initiative. Under Innis, that statement is fully admissible, and it goes directly to the element of intent. It is the exact element the prosecution needed to prove, and the suspect provided it unprompted, on video. There is a second category of statement in this case that would have carried enormous weight at trial. Before officers raised the vehicle damage, the suspect volunteered that she had struck a gate earlier that day. In interrogation analysis, this is called a preemptive alternative explanation for anticipated evidence. Courts and jurors treat that pattern as circumstantial evidence of consciousness of guilt. Guilty parties often introduce innocent explanations for evidence before that evidence is raised against them. Innocent parties, as a rule, do not. Layered on top of all of this is the constitutional right the suspect never actually invoked. Under the Fifth Amendment, no person may be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against themselves. That protection applies from the first moment of detention through trial and every stage in between. Its invocation is straightforward. State that you wish to remain silent and request an attorney. Questioning must stop. The suspect in this footage did none of that. She spoke continuously, without invocation, for the entire encounter. Every explanation she offered, including the ones meant to help her, became evidence for the state. This is the recurring lesson of criminal defense practice, and it holds regardless of factual guilt or innocence. The right to silence exists precisely because most people, under stress, cannot resist speaking.
You want me to take all the pictures of front sides?
If you want to, I'll take her back to HQ.
Start with tag.
Tag and then work more counterclockwise?
All the way around 360 around the car, and then make sure you get wide views as well.
Okay.
I'm going to apologize in advance. I'm embarrassingly blind.
And what's her relationship?
Just friends. We're very good friends, and I've known her for quite a while. But can I ask you this? And I know there's only so much you can say. Is it bad?
I don't know. Define bad.
Is she gonna? Well, I don't know what happened. In all sincerity, and you said assault. Does that mean like a fist fight, or does that mean like? Because you said there was damage in the car. Does that mean she tried to hit another car?
Did you want to see the car?
Oh, please, please.
I mean, you got some. Were you aware? Has this car been in an accident?
Well, here's what's funny that you say that. Do you have a flashlight there, Sergeant? Oh, well, hold on, I do.
I got a flashlight on it.
Oh, you do? Okay. Well, oh, is this what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the other night, we were actually out to dinner, like, Saturday night on Clematis, and Sunday we didn't know until, like, after the fact that somebody had hit us.
Okay.
And that's a claim, like, literally in process. I legit was going to go to the dealership tomorrow.
Okay.
Right, so this didn't just happen. This was like Saturday, okay?
Okay.
And so Progressive is my insurance company. There's an open claim there, Sergeant. And I was going to take it to Mercedes tomorrow, probably the one on Okeechobee. So that was like.
So that was from
old
Saturday.
News,
okay.
Old news. Now, I don't know if that was my match. Oh, that was nothing. The other thing I was going to ask is, so, and I don't know what your is this the assault? She hit a car, a person, a building.
We don't know exactly what the vehicle hit.
Oh, okay.
I don't know exactly what the vehicle hit.
But the charge was assault, so I didn't know if that meant assault with a car.
Yeah.
You hit somebody physically, or what?
Yeah. I mean, she'll give you a call. It does look like this damage wasn't here. It was the other damage.
This is brand new.
Okay.
This is brand new. And listen, and I know you have a job to do, and I appreciate your service and everything. Was it something really messed up?
I don't even know the details. Like, I kind of stayed over here while the officers was talking to her.
Do you mind if I ask, how did you get called into it? Like, was it
It came out as an accident.
Oh.
It was an accident that occurred. We thought it was,
If I tell you something guy to guy, this is just guy to guy.
what you got?
Okay? We're going to go out to eat tonight. And she said, nah, I'm not feeling good. I'll see you tomorrow. Then that's when you wish you guys had gone out to eat. You know what I mean? It's
absolutely.
It's like something happens, it takes 2 seconds, and the aftermath takes forever. Like, crap. That blows.
2 Charlie Fire, Sergeant Colvin.
Now, she'll call me, like, collect, if you know, like, from the jail or whatever.
You don't need to speak to the RO, do you? Yes.
Yeah, she will. Oh, does this suck?
Okay, 26. Yeah, I mean, as soon as she gets booked in and everything, they'll get her settled, and she'll start making whatever phone calls that she needs to make, and I'm sure she'll give you a call and give you some of the information on that.
Yeah, the thing that blows is these things happen in real life, and it's like, God, you wish they didn't.
Okay.
You know?
Turn briefly to the boyfriend who left the scene, because his conduct raises a separate criminal issue. Under Florida Statute 316.061, any driver involved in a crash causing injury must stop. Failure to remain at the scene of an injury crash is a third-degree felony, punishable by up to 5 years. The statute applies regardless of fault, and regardless of whether the driver caused the collision at all. Leaving the scene is an independent criminal offense, entirely separate from whatever produced the injury. Whether the boyfriend faced independent charges is not visible on this record, but the statutory violation is clear. Now to the outcome. The aggravated battery charge was ultimately dismissed by the state attorney's office. The dismissal is not, on this record, attributable to any error or omission by the responding officers. In Florida, aggravated battery cases arising from relationship-adjacent incidents commonly dismiss for 3 reasons. First, the victim declines to cooperate, which functionally destroys the state's ability to prove the case. Second, evidentiary weakness on the intent element makes conviction at trial improbable, even with a confession. Third, the parties reach a pre-trial diversion or civil resolution that satisfies both sides and closes the file. Any of these could apply here, but the public record does not specify which factor drove the decision. What the record does show is that the officers built a legally sufficient case for probable cause at every stage. Now to the grades. The West Palm Beach Police Department earns a B+ for a legally sound investigation. The single deduction is the absence, on this footage, of any effort to secure surveillance from surrounding businesses. In a case that would rise or fall on intent, external corroborating video could have been decisive. The suspect earns a D. Legally, she had one job: remain silent, request counsel, and wait. She did the opposite, and every explanation she offered deepened the case the state was building against her. The victim earns a B for providing a coherent account despite injury, which is all any victim can be asked to do. The boyfriend who fled the scene earns an F on independent grounds under Section 316.061. The uninvolved vehicle owner earns an A for full cooperation and for retrieving his property without incident. 4 short lessons from this footage, applicable to any police encounter anywhere in the United States. First, silence is a constitutional right, not a social suggestion. Invoke it clearly and invoke it early. Second, never volunteer an alternative explanation for evidence that has not yet been raised against you. Third, detention is not freedom. If an officer says you are being detained, your statements are already admissible. Fourth, handcuffs do not stop the recording, and post-arrest utterances remain admissible under Rhode Island versus Innis. In short, the safest sentence in any police encounter is a single request: I want a lawyer. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.